Tuesday, November the 7th, 2023. I think that's right. What was it, about 11 o'clock? 12:15. We just got Vicky's motorhome. Boy, look at all of these motorhomes. This place is slap full. And you can't see nothing. I mean, they are all the way across the back and everywhere. Y'all don't need to see me, but you can see the back of her motorhome. She's going to be following in the Toyota. We're going to stop at the Kroger and get get air in the Toyota tires. I guess we'll get gas in this too. It's showing about empty. So she'll be getting it home and I guess planning a trip. I don't know what she'll get up to. She'll be up to something. Okay, here she comes. We're going to wait for her to catch up with us down here, then we'll start off. Been going over a year. Let's see how many miles. How many miles? Where's the mileage? 14,932. 14,932 miles. We're leaving Campers Inn, heading back to Rome or Armurchie. We're at Georgia Highway 92. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. We'll turn it on maybe a little bit later. We'll get to the Kroger and go up from there. Okay, yeah, this is a higher perspective than the van. And it gives better light video because it's got that nose sticking out front to keep the sun from just glaring right into the camera. With the GoPro Black 10, 1920 by 1080 resolution, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, 60 frames a second, full high definition. All the gauges look good, temperature, except for the fuel. Fuel's got a quarter. Engine temperature is good. Oil pressure good. Battery good. We're going to get on I-75 up here, then get off at exit 288, I think, or 287. It'll be the Main Street Cartersville exit where the Kroger is. We'll go down and get gas at the Kroger and get air in her Toyota tires. Okay, let's go ahead and cut it off again. Okay, we'll be getting on I-75 right here. I think this is exit 277, I think. 278 used to be Glade Road. Now they've changed that to Altoona Gateway, I think. Glade Road must not have been fancy enough for them. We kept the RV at 45, a little bit under 50 on the way over to the S75. You know, you have to get used to driving these things. We're running 55 now. I've always been a guy that likes RPMs. We're showing 2200 RPMs. This is a Ford E450 Econoline, or I guess, yeah, the Econoline type motorhome, not a F-150 truck type. It rides like I remember. It's nice and smooth. Doesn't drift all over the road unless you get in a real high wind. I know she is happy as she can be. There are a couple of things that may not have been done quite the way she wanted, but she has missed her baby. Down, Lanier's down as well. They let them down in the winter. I guess I can turn the camera around, let y'all see how smooth it rides back there. Y'all don't need to see me though. Give y'all the crazy eye. Cleaned it up nice. I mean, it's good and clean. The one thing they did though, they left the rear vent open, rear fan vent open. The bedding's wet. We'll have to let it dry out. Take the bedding out and stuff and let it dry out. They washed it yesterday. This video will be a E450 motorhome video. E450 motorhome I-75 video. And we will, when we get to the Kroger, I guess we could make this one a wrap. I didn't bring the attachment for the mirror, so I can't use the phone cameras unless I'm going to figure out something different. I'll just have to download and edit the video and upload it the old-fashioned way when we get back. I've gotten to where I'm uploading stuff from the phones, editing them, the video from the phones and all, and it's making things so much easier. But still, if you don't have a real good connection, it's still not any fun. I don't have all the options that I do in the computer, but it sure does make it, cuts out 2 or 3 steps and makes it a lot easier. There's something rolling around in here, and it rolled around before we took it over there. I don't know where it's at, but I remember it from before. Road, exit 283. To the right will take you to Altoona Gap, Altoona Pass, where the Battle of Altoona was during the War of Northern Aggression. To the left will take you and connect to Georgia 293, take you right through Emerson and then on up into Cartersville. All the gauges look good. I hadn't been on the road in well over a year. We'll be getting off at the next exit and going to the Kroger. No, Red Top Mountain. No, we'll go past this. We'll go past Red Top Mountain and get off at Main Street. And to the right, it'll take you over to Red Top Mountain State Park. To the left, it'll take you right into downtown Cartersville, Main Street. Heavy equipment everywhere. I think I'll go ahead and pull into a gas pump at the Kroger, and she'll pull in. Let her pull in over at the air station. I think this Kroger's air is free, but I don't remember. Some of them they are and some of them aren't. But they've gotten where air is $1.50 now. Or maybe more than that now. That last time I wasn't around my compressor and had to use one, that's been a couple of years ago. We were running 60 miles an hour. Everything is going well so far. About 2,300 RPMs. Georgia Highway 113. It take you over to the Etowah Indian Mounds. Cartersville has all kind of stuff to do. Tellus Space Museum, the Savoy Auto Museum, the Booth Western Museum. It's just got all kind of stuff. You could spend a week in Cartersville easily. Well, these front brakes sure do feel a whole lot better. They didn't have it 14,000 miles on them, but they had worn out. She has virtually new Michelin tires on here, new brakes, everything should be safe. They checked serpentine belt, all that. They've had a flush, they winterized it. Sure which way she'll want to go back. So I guess all the way, I guess 75 to Daresville, then 140 over to her house, and that way get back quick as we can, and that way she can start checking it out and going over it. She may want to take it out this afternoon herself. She may want to drive it back from here. Whatever she likes. Yeah, I had wondered about this gas. It's been well over a year. Maybe the gas is a little bit more stable than it used to be, but if they winterized it, maybe they put a little stable in it as well. But it's run fine. Yes, all these apartments here. I thought this was going to be a motel. This turned out it's going to be apartments. All these little shops right here, well, I guess it's mainly just a Kroger, but this, you're going to have part-time help available. People moving in these places. I've noticed that as a trend. They are making these communities now, these developments, live, work, and play, where you'll have shopping, you'll have where you can work, usually have some trails, several different things for people. Okay, let's find a gas thing that is open for us. We need to put one that we pull all the way through. There's one right here. The air is over there on the other side. Okay. When you swing out of here, you got to pay attention too. That back end will kick out. And the fuel tank is down there around the back tire. I can't remember whether this, I think it's this side.